Okay, students, today's subject is physics. I will going to explain the thermal properties of matter. Now let's start the introduction. Now I am going to say about the temperature scale. Temperature scale is about the four types. Temperature scale is about four types. First one is Celsius scale. First one is Celsius scale. Next one is Kelvin. Next one, Fahrenheit scale. Next one, Romer scale. Next, now ice point, melting point. Ice point is melting point. Next one, boiling point is stream. Boiling point. Stream, boiling point, ice point, melting point. Okay. Next one, in Celsius, lower fixed point and upper fixed point. Celsius two types: lower fixed point, upper fixed point. Lower fixed point and upper fixed point. Lower fixed point 0 degrees centigrade, 0 degrees. Upper fixed point 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, this division, 100 divisions. Next, Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale, lower fixed point and upper fixed points. Lower fixed point, upper fixed point. Lower fixed point and upper fixed point. Lower fixed point is 273.14 kelvins. Upper fixed point 373.14 kelvins. Next, how many divisions? 100 divisions. 100 divisions. Next, I would like to say about the Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale, lower fixed point and upper fixed point, LFP, and lower fixed point, upper fixed point. Lower fixed point 32 Fahrenheit, upper fixed point 212 Fahrenheit. Next, how many divisions? 180 divisions. Next one, Romer scale. Romer scale. Lower fixed point and upper fixed point, LFP, UFP. Lower fixed point, upper fixed point. Lower fixed point is 0 Romer. Upper fixed point is 80 Romer. Next, the divisions are 80 divisions. Okay, 80 divisions. Next, first, these are introduction is about this Romer scale and Fahrenheit scale, Kelvin scale, Celsius scale. First, now note down the formula. Formula is unknown temperature minus low fixed point by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point is equals to constant. Okay. Next, once again I will repeat this. First, introduction is about the thermal properties of matter. Temperature scale is about the four types. Celsius scale, Kelvin scale, and Fahrenheit scale, and Reaumur scale. These are scales. And ice point, melting point is ice point. Next, boiling point is stream point. Next, Celsius scale. In Celsius scale, lower fixed point is 0 degrees and upper fixed point is 100 degrees. Division is 100 divisions. Next, in Kelvin scale, lower fixed point is 273.14 Kelvin and upper fixed point is 373.14 Kelvin. Division is 100 divisions. Next, Fahrenheit scale. Lower fixed point is 32 Fahrenheit and upper fixed point is 212 Fahrenheit. Divisions 180 divisions. Next, Reaumur scale. Lower fixed point is 0 Reaumurs and upper fixed point is 80 Reaumurs. These 80 divisions. Okay. Unknown temperature minus formula is main important formula. Note down here. Important formula. Unknown temperature minus lower fixed point by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point is equals to constant. Next, I would like to say about the expansion. Next topic is